Weed tea is a natural, homemade fertilizer made from common garden weeds. It's a simple way to nourish your vegetables and fruit trees while also putting those pesky weeds to good use. The process involves soaking weeds in water for a period, allowing the nutrients locked within the plants to leach into the water. The resulting tea is packed with essential nutrients that plants love, like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are vital for healthy growth. This organic approach to feeding your plants is not only environmentally friendly, but also helps improve the overall health of your garden soil, leading to stronger, more resilient plants. We have multiple videos on our channel that show you how to make weed tea step by step. Whether you're new to gardening or an experienced grower, these tutorials will guide you through the entire process, from gathering the weeds to applying the tea to your plants. You'll find that it's a straightforward method that doesn't require any special equipment, and the results can be seen in the lush growth of your vegetables and fruit trees. Be sure to check out our channel for these easy-to-follow tutorials and start making your own weed tea today. Using weed tea in your garden offers several benefits that contribute to the overall health and productivity of your plants. Firstly, it's a rich source of nutrients that plants need to thrive. Nitrogen, which is abundant in many garden weeds, is essential for leafy growth. Potassium helps with root development and overall plant health, while phosphorus is crucial for flowering and fruiting. When these nutrients are applied through weed tea, they are in a form that plants can readily absorb, leading to healthier, more vigorous growth. Another benefit of weed tea is that it can improve soil structure and microbial activity. The organic matter in the tea helps build up the soil, making it more fertile and better at retaining moisture. This is especially important for fruit trees, which need a consistent supply of nutrients and water to produce a good harvest. Additionally, the beneficial microbes present in the tea can help break down organic matter in the soil, making nutrients more available to plants and improving soil health over time. Weed tea is also a cost-effective solution for fertilizing your garden. Since the main ingredient is something you would typically throw away, you're essentially creating free fertilizer from materials you already have on hand. This not only saves money, but also reduces waste, making your gardening practices more sustainable. Plus, by using weed tea, you're avoiding the use of chemical fertilizers, which can harm the environment and the beneficial organisms living in your soil. Finally, weed tea can help suppress certain pests and diseases in your garden. The strong smell of the tea can act as a deterrent to some insects, while the nutrients in the tea help strengthen plants, making them more resistant to disease. This means you'll spend less time dealing with garden problems and more time enjoying the fruits of your labor. In conclusion, weed tea is a simple, effective way to boost the health and productivity of your garden. By using this natural fertilizer, you'll be giving your vegetables and fruit trees the nutrients they need to grow strong and produce abundantly. Don't forget to visit our channel for detailed tutorials on how to make your own weed tea and start reaping the benefits in your garden. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful and want more gardening tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other content. I'm sharing one of my all-time favorite secret recipes, a magic liquid fertilizer that's packed with all sorts of nutrients. It's super easy to make, and the best part? You probably already have everything you need right in your garden. Trust me, your plants are going to love this. So, stick around and I'll show you how to whip up this powerful brew that will have your plants thriving like never before. Before we start making this magic liquid fertilizer, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I've got plenty more easy gardening tips to share, and you won't want to miss them. Now let's get started. The first step is to gather a variety of weeds from your garden, or wherever you can find them. The more types of weeds you collect, the better. Different weeds contain different nutrients that can benefit your plants. Some are rich in nitrogen, others in potassium, and some have trace minerals. By using a variety, you're ensuring a broad spectrum of nutrients that your plants will thrive on. Once you've collected your weeds, chop them into small pieces to help them break down more quickly in the water. Then grab a net-like cloth. An old pillowcase or a mesh bag works perfectly. You'll use this cloth to create a pouch to hold your chopped weeds. Before you tie it up, add a small amount of wood ash to the mix. Wood ash is a fantastic addition because it's rich in potassium, which is crucial for overall plant health. Potassium helps regulate water balance in plants, strengthens their resistance to diseases, and is vital for flower and fruit development. It also contains small amounts of calcium, which is beneficial for strengthening cell walls, leading to sturdier plants. Next, you'll need a 5-gallon bucket. Fill it with rainwater or non-chlorinated water. It's important to use water that's free from chlorine, because chlorine can kill the beneficial microorganisms that help break down the weeds into nutrients. Once your bucket is filled, place the pouch of weeds and wood ash into the water, making sure it's fully submerged. Close the lid of the bucket. If you don't have a pouch, you can simply toss the weeds directly into the water. But using a pouch makes it easier because you won't have to strain the liquid later. Now let the mixture sit for about 2 weeks. During this time, the weeds will start to break down, releasing their nutrients into the water. The wood ash will also begin to dissolve, enriching the tea even further. You might notice a strong smell as the weeds decompose. That's completely normal and just means the process is working. After 2 weeks, remove the pouch from the bucket. If you didn't use a pouch, you'll need to strain the liquid to remove the solid material. The liquid left behind is your weed tea, now full of nutrients and ready to feed your plants. Before using it, dilute the tea with water at a ratio of 1 part weed tea to 10 parts water. This dilution is important because the tea is quite strong and can overwhelm your plants if applied directly. Once diluted, use it to water your plants, giving them a nutrient-rich boost that promotes healthy growth. Using a variety of weeds in your tea is beneficial because each type of weed has its own unique set of nutrients. By combining different weeds, you're creating a well-rounded fertilizer that can address multiple nutrient needs in your garden. The wood ash adds an extra layer of benefits, particularly in boosting potassium levels, which supports healthy flowering and fruiting in your plants. This weed tea is an excellent way to recycle what might otherwise be considered garden waste into something incredibly beneficial for your plants. Plus, by using rainwater or non-chlorinated water, you're ensuring that all the beneficial microbes stay alive, helping your garden grow even more vigorously. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more gardening advice, please like, subscribe, and check out our other videos. Back to my channel. In this video, we will make a magical liquid fertilizer, which will provide a rich array of nutrients essential for plant growth. It supplies nitrogen, which is crucial for leafy growth and vibrant green foliage. Phosphorus in the fertilizer supports strong root development and enhances flowering and fruiting. Potassium helps improve overall plant health, strengthening resistance to diseases and pests while aiding in water regulation. Additionally, this fertilizer offers trace minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron, which are vital for various physiological processes within the plant. The presence of organic matter also boosts microbial activity in the soil, enhancing nutrient availability and improving soil structure. Making liquid fertilizer from leaves, weeds, and even dead plants using a 5-gallon bucket is a simple and effective way to recycle garden waste and enrich your soil. Start by collecting a variety of green materials, such as fresh leaves, weeds, grass clippings, and any dead plants that are free from diseases. These green materials are rich in nitrogen, which is essential for plant growth. Once you have your materials, chop them into small pieces. This increases the surface area and speeds up the decomposition process. Fill about half of your 5-gallon bucket with the chopped green and brown materials, mixing them well. Next, add water to the bucket until it is nearly full, leaving a few inches of space at the top to allow for stirring. The water helps to break down the organic matter and extract the nutrients into a liquid form. Cover the bucket loosely with a lid or cloth to keep out debris while allowing air to circulate. Let the mixture sit for about 2 to 3 weeks, stirring it every few days to aerate the mixture and speed up decomposition. You will notice that the mixture will begin to break down and turn into a dark, nutrient-rich liquid. After a few weeks, the liquid you have now is your homemade fertilizer. To use your liquid fertilizer, dilute it with water at a ratio of about 1:10. 1 part fertilizer to 10 parts water. This dilution ensures that the fertilizer is not too strong for your plants. Pour the diluted fertilizer around the base of your plants. You can apply this fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season to provide a steady supply of nutrients to your plants. Remember, the key to a successful liquid fertilizer is patience and regular stirring. The decomposition process takes time, but the end result is a powerful, nutrient-rich fertilizer that will enhance your garden's productivity. Give it a try and enjoy the benefits of healthier, more vigorous plants. Don't forget to check out the video link in the description for more recipe and detailed instructions on making your own nitrogen-rich fertilizers. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos. I'm going to introduce you to a supplement most of you likely discard, unaware of its tremendous value for your plants. Rich in nutrients, this supplement can significantly enhance the growth and health of your seedlings, vegetables, fruits, and flowers when used properly. It also improves soil structure, boosts water retention, and stimulates beneficial microorganisms in the soil. Stay with me until the end of the video, and I'll share how you can get it for free. Summer is here, and so are watermelons. Many of us enjoy eating watermelons, but did you know that watermelon rind is an excellent plant supplement? Particularly during the summer, its high water content helps maintain soil moisture, which is crucial during dry periods. Watermelon rinds are packed with essential nutrients like nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, all vital for healthy plant growth. Here's how to create a magical solution using watermelon rinds. Wash the watermelon rind and cut it into small pieces. Blend the pieces with a bit of warm water. Prepare about 5 kilograms of this blended mixture. Dilute it with another 10 liters of water. For a stronger version, add 1 liter of compost tea if available. Let the mixture sit for about 48 hours before using it. After that, you can water your plants with this solution once or twice a month. Understanding why this natural supplement is so effective can further enhance its benefits. Watermelon rind contains nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for plant growth. Nitrogen supports leaf and stem growth, potassium aids overall plant functions, and phosphorus is essential for root development and flower and fruit production. Moreover, the organic matter in watermelon rind improves soil structure. When blended and mixed into the soil, it creates a loose, crumbly texture, allowing roots to penetrate easily and improving the soil's water retention capacity. I hope you found this video interesting. Please subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much.